Gotta remember to turn the mic back on. Yesterday, I recorded this whole session with absolutely no audio whatsoever. What are you gonna do? The cool part is we get to do the same thing over again, because at the end of that episode, I realized that I broke some other stuff on the site. So I had to revert, because I have no idea what ended up happening. In addition to that, then we got the van back yesterday. We ended up having to replace the fuel pump in that van. It seems to be working fine now, and so it's nice. All right, I think we got everything ready for us here. Just making sure. Still getting everything ready. Pulling up Webflow. Pulling up the streams, tools. My machine is having a little bit of trouble here. Trying to see what's going on here. Okay. I think we're good. Let's start getting going here. There we go. All right, so we're gonna pick up right where we left off yesterday, and that is to get that stupid Gallery 7 to work on the Boxers template. I'm so sick of this one component. I really, really am. It hurts my heart. But it's okay. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. And it'll be wondrous. And we'll never have to touch it again. I don't believe that, but it's gonna be done. All right. So this is the component we're turning into CMS. We totally did this yesterday. But like I said, we ran into some issues, and so we had to revert because we ended up, I think what happened, we deleted one of the core styles in the project, and I didn't want to spend the time to try to figure out exactly what happened. Because it broke a lot of stuff. So let's not do that today. Let's not do that today. Okay, so let's find where we're going to actually add our collection list. So it's going to be directly into the gallery portion here. And my machine is super slow, but that's okay. All right, we need a new machine. That's what we need. We need a new machine. It's time for a new machine. Better camera. To which the camera situation I got sorted out, kind of. I have it sorted out such that I know what I need to do. I don't have it sorted out to where it's actually done, obviously. Oh, this is supposed to be puppies. I think I might have some Docker containers going. Let me try. So I don't think I turned them off yesterday. So let's handle that really quickly. Yeah, it's quite a few. This is gonna help. What else we got going on? OBS is killing my machine. Yeah, that's OBS is killing my machine. Awesome. Well, can't get rid of OBS. Okay. All right, puppies. And we'll leave it at that. The next thing we'll do is let's copy the contents of one of the gallery portions here. So I want one of these small ones because I want that to be the default. Kind of go from there. Okay, so let's grab that, put it into the collection item. Okay, now it's in the collection item. The next thing we need to do is I actually have some CSS to put in here, but I don't think I kept it around. I did not. Where did I do it? All right, next thing we want to do is limit this to only 3 items. Then the next thing we'll do is actually make it mimic this layout a little better. So I'm going to make the collection list the gallery 7 row. Oop, sorry, I didn't mean to do the ID. Style. There we go. And the wrapper, I will make the gallery 7 grid list. All right, and the collection item, we're going to invent a new one because we actually need something a little closer to home here. And we're just going to call it gallery 7 card. All right, gallery 7 item. Let's do Okay. And so the other thing we need to do is we need to, oh,
Waiting for your storm to settle as I look toward the sea.
I think we're good to get rid of this part now.
Dust in your eyes like the water.
And the next thing we need to do is actually add a new embed so we can add some custom CSS. Okay. So one thing we need to do is gallery 7 hard item. So got to make it believe it's this one. The other thing is hey, you know what? Let's not guess. Let's do this really good. I don't want to guess. We already did the work. There's no reason for this. Had to fight with that thing enough. Excuse me. Hair. Sadly, one of the side effects of having a beard is that sometimes you gotta deal with hair in your mouth. That sucks. Worst part ever having a beard. Well, that and extra napkins. Always extra napkins. Even when you don't think you need napkins, extra napkins. Oh, you know, one thing I did forget to do is to tell everybody that we are actually live today. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Totally forgot to tell everybody we were live today. I'm just going to use my one from yesterday. Let's see here. Here we go.
Eight rounds in the 45, it go down. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Yeah. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. 8 rounds in the 45, it go down. Look, I was passive aggression, passive aggressiveness. I left him hanging like loose ties is loose ties. Either not, he begging to go or not. Depends on the situation. He going up like inflation. Fuck all the haters that said that he couldn't make it. My brother drowned in the lake. How could all you people mistake it? He fought hard for what he had. Murderers holding guns. You worried about all the extra to water gets in your lungs, nigga. Hey, how could you do this shit? How could you do this when you know I'm going through this shit? Real bullshit, G shit. I really do this shit. I ain't about it, but you know I walk it through.
Man, we have got to put the explicit filter back on this thing. I don't like it. All right, there we go. You know what? Let's go ahead and do one for Facebook. All right, so 4 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, a day ago, restore backup. Let's do this one. And sorry, the way that Facebook works is that it's tied to, I just have a Facebook page, but it's like my user and it's all family stuff, so I would rather not put my family on blast. That's why I brought it off screen to make the post into Facebook. Okay, so here we are. Let's see what we did. Let's go to that Boxers page. Let's see here. Get this part up.
Yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
There's the sections. Yeah. Padding. Content. Like a Russian nesting doll. Okay. Alright, so we did change this. We changed it to hard item. And then image wrapper. We should be good. Hey! That looks right. Alright, cool. And so the next thing I need to do is actually put this in for the reference of the video, for the image, and then we'll also wire up the lightbox stuff, and then we'll do one other trick, because I do want to display more than the 3 adopted puppies. I gotta fix that title too. So what I'll do is I'll have the 3 visible as part of the gallery, and then we'll turn around and in the lightbox have it to where you could actually paginate through the others as well. Sorry, lost my train of thought for a second. Okay, here we go. So let's wire up the light box. We'll do it with the media. So we'll say featured image. And too bad you can't do multiples, right? Like I would like I would like to make this to where like I could add a featured image and then all the other images into the thing, but it's okay. And I'm giving it a name because you would notice, you know, I'll leave the name out and I'll show you what happens. If you leave the name out, what ends up happening is that these become individual galleries or individual lightbox. Who wants that? All right, let's do that. Yeah, see. This is the single image. So to fix that, is that we come in here and we make them all part of the same group. Okay. And that'll allow that to happen. All right, so I said that we were going to do something here. So let's come in here. I think I already have the CSS in place for this. But let's see. I'll also mention this. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and display all the items. But we're only showing 3. That's because of our custom code here. And I'll show you what that looks like. The nth child n plus 4. So that's going to be 0, 1, 2, well, yeah. And 3. We're not going to show anything. So if we were to comment this part out, you can see a whole bunch more gets loaded. Now, what sucks about this way of handling this is that all the images are loaded on the page, which makes the page kind of heavy and potentially super heavy, depending on how many images we have. So, as a good rule, never, ever, 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 ever have something just pull in items out of the database. If there's ever a chance for it to grow, always have a sane limit that makes sense for what could potentially be catastrophic to the page. There's many times where I've run into situations where it's like, hey, we just want all the things. There will never be more than 20. There will never be more than 50. I'm like, I'm gonna put a limit. Why? There will never be that many. Put a limit. Put a limit. Put a limit. Because the alternative is you don't put a limit, and next thing you know, there's 500 items, and then one day the content editor just wakes up and the page is just gone. It just white screened up. And that's because there's no limit. But there's a limit set by the number of items you pull out the database, how many items you can put on the page, and just in general, how much data we can process in you know, in a page request. So just put a limit. Add available. Now I have some copy for this somewhere. Excuse me. Oh no, these are not available. These are adopted. And that's the other thing. I gotta add the filter, which is fun. I'll put that in a minute. In case you're curious what I'm doing, I'm actually pulling the copy that I had created the other day. Ooh, there I go, taking credit for the ChatGPT. Oops, shouldn't do that. The copy that ChatGPT created for me. Okay, and then the next thing we were going to do, we were going to add another little H2 over there. I'm gonna wire this up with the name. Cool. And just out of curiosity, what did I end up doing for that? Did I end up floating this or something? Probably. No. Did I add a div around it? Oh. I think I know what happened to most of my stuff yesterday. I messed with this thing, this composite, this combo selector, and made it do all this. Let's not do that again. Let's not do that. So instead, what we're going to do, we're going to add a new div. That's right, a new div. We're going to add to our nesting doll. So I can do. Ooh, gotta be careful. Webflow is nice in the sense that you have a lot of power, and it's very close to you messing directly with HTML and CSS with all the added bonuses of like the CMS and stuff, but it does not protect you from you. It will totally let you mess stuff up, which is fine. I get it. Although part of me wishes that the streaming would not be so intensive on my CPU. Okay. Go to style. We got this. We're going to, on the div here, let's make it flex that box. Make it center. And oops, I meant to add a space. Add a little space. And now we got adopted puppies from Max. Alright, next thing we'll do is I want to add a button underneath this. Let's add us a button. A button. I don't want to add it in with the text there because I don't want it to be, I don't want the button being, you know. So let's add it to our text center, text line center. Hey, if you have any questions while I'm working through this, or if you're just curious about what some of the items are, or you want to tell me or explain to me how some of this stuff I'm missing or I'm screwing up, that's definitely possible too. Just let me know. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so let's make sure we use this link settings instead of putting in ourselves. That way, in case anything changes, the system will automatically propagate those changes throughout the project, which is very nice. That we don't have to worry about. Well, you should establish redirects, but you know, as you're working through, you know. Okay, so the link settings are there. And let's add isn't that what I have here? See all of our those. Okay. Button. Oh. Weird. Well, it still ended up being cool. I don't want that. I think it's because of these. Alright. I'll come back to that. Well, I need to add a margin there anyways. I thought I put a space over here. Did I forget to? Looks like I might have forgot to. No, there is a space. So he tries to be smart. I don't want you to be smart. I want you to be dumb. Oh, calm down. Now, come on now. Okay, maybe that's not what I want. Oh, I put it on the wrong one. Meant to put it here. But you know what? I might be able to just do it here on this div. That way I'm not messing with anything else either. So if I come in here, aha, there's a gap. 8. No, it's more like 10. 10? What do you think? 12? 12? Definitely 12. Okay. Alright, back to our other issue at hand was this button. I solved it over here. What did I do? What did I do? Margin top, button group, button. Okay. I got it. Added a margin top and a button group. margin top, button group, and move our button into the group. Come on. There we go. Fingers crossed. Aha. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then we'll link this guy up to our adopted puppies page. Oh, I already did. Oh, available puppies. This has been very confusing. Adopted puppies. Oh, I still have it called previous puppies. That's not nice. Let's go rename that. While I think about it. Available puppies. Previous puppies.
Every little thing you do, it gets me thinking. Buy another shot, you got me drinking. Girl, you shut me down and there's no witness. Got me in my feels, so never listen. All the alcohol is in my liver. I guess I lost and you're the winner. Missing your touch, you were
I'm excited. Today's Friday. You guys know what Friday is? Well, no, but I'm about to tell you. Friday is energy drink day. I look forward to it. I afford myself one energy drink for the week. So it's one of my things I really look forward to on Fridays. I know it's odd. It's odd, but it's life, right? You know, having little things, little prizes, if you will, gifts, if you will, indulgences. It's probably more like it. Everything in moderation, they say. That pizza looks pretty good. It's pretty thin. Thing's making me hungry. All right. Oh, I wanted to show it everybody. So after we got this set up, matter of fact, let's go ahead and publish what we got. We don't need this guy anymore. And we can close that guy. Save the CPU. So we're published. So let's go take a look at what we've done. Okay. Looking good. Got the... Yeah, you're missing the image. Oh, did we not publish it? I thought I clicked it. All right, let's see. Oh, sorry. All right, so when we click on this now, we have, not only do we have the 3 images, but we have all the other images as well that are not visible. So you have a little bit more to kind of go through. And then of course this links to our little puppies. This is bothering me. This is too close. So let's fix that. And then we'll wire up this part, and then we're done with this page. We're finally done with this page. I don't think you guys realize. Like, I know, well, you've been watching, but I'm so sick of this page. So sick of this page. I spent too much time trying to figure this little tiny gallery out. Matter of fact, I might put a YouTube video on just that item, because it's that much of a pain in the butt to wire it up to the CMS. Because you can't use what is provided, and it's not a fin sweep thing, so you have to do it manually. And you essentially have to like figure it out, you know, which we did. We totally did. But it was a pain. It was totally a pain. Just one of those things. Well, there's the margin top. And there's the text. Well, this seems awfully happy with the solution. Oh, they put it inside the max width. Huh. That's gonna make it go left. All right. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Are you sure? I don't know. Let's see. Moment of truth. Now the order's wrong. Of course the order's wrong. I can't say I noticed much of a difference with that. Where's all my margin? You got all this. Look at that. Bam. A lot. All right, where's it getting it from? Is the question. Where are you getting your margin from? Oh, margin medium. So they got dual class on there. Got the margin top and then margin medium. Okay, easy enough. There we go. That's better. I like it. Okay. And back to ChatGPT. Although I need to pull off screen just for a moment. Excuse me. We're getting close to our end of our session here. We got about another half hour or so before we gotta go do the things. Ooh. And so we're going to make this one go to Adopt a puppy. Adopt a puppy. Adopt a puppy? I don't know, the site owner may want me to make this link to a page where it's filtered out the puppies from this particular boxer, but I don't think so. I'm not certain though. Part of me is like, no, but somebody might want to do that. Did I just say? I think I linked that to adopted puppies. I didn't link it to nothing apparently. Available puppies. There we go. And then we'll link the visit. We're gonna link back to the boxer page. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Our boxers. And we're done. Level complete. Nobody on YouTube, huh? That's okay. Just enjoy hanging out, showing what I'm working on. Although, I can't wait to start some other stuff. This is not my jam. But I definitely wanted to play with it and try it out and get it going. Like I do it for like smaller businesses and stuff, just because it's easier for them to manage, easier to get going, and I am not a designer, so it ships with a whole bunch of stuff that I don't have to design. Like you can't argue with that. Well, you could if you pointless though. All right. Oh, right. I wanted to limit. Thought we were done. Hold on. I want to limit. I want to limit by 2 criteria. I want to limit by the adoptedness status, the adopted status of the puppy, and the parent. So let's go back to our gallery, our collection list, and then go to our settings, and then we'll come down here to our filters, and we're going to add a filter, one for the status. Status equals available, no, adopted. Okay, and then we're going to add one more filter, and we're going to call it, we're not going to call it anything. We actually need 2 filters. Oh, can we do groups? Because we kind of need a group. Can I get a group? I need a group. Hold on. There's gotta be a group. Gotta be a group. Gotta be a group. Give me a group. Uh-oh. No, I can't do it. Let's see if there's a way to do it. Well, oh, darn it. I don't want to add another thing. Well, oops. I want to match any. Basically, what I want is I want an and, but an or on these two. I guess I could create like an amalgamated field. I don't want to do that. Sounds bad.
जैसे हाथी टेबल बैठा तो फिर नहीं करते मोटा 4 शो का होते दंगे चलती लाठी हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी सोना था हराम तभी तो किस्मत हो रही चांदी चांदी है एक दिन रहता दिल्ली दूजे दिन मैं बैठा बाली पंगा चीते से तो समझो रास्ता बिल्ली काटे काली I can see through all of them ये रैपर सबके सब हैं जाली जब जब पैरी मांगे पैर तब पैरी मांगे पानी you know
I guess I gotta use a complex. All right, screw it, let's do it. What are you gonna do? All right, CMS. List filter. That's what I want. What the filter the least? All right, add the script. I thought I was done with this page. I even told you all I was done. I lied. I'm not done. The question is, can I get this done in 15 minutes? Probably. This stuff usually is not complicated. Okay. First things first, we're going to add the Fin Suite attributes library to our page. So we come in here, edit the actual page, go to the header. It says header. I think it would totally work to put it in the footer. Frankly, you really should be loading stuff in the footer, but at the same time, it messes with our display. Oh, cool. We already have it. Nice. Okay, so that's already there. What do I do next? Standard filtered list allows users to filter a list using preset checkboxes. Yes, that one. List, so we put the I actually don't even want this. I might. Can I get away from not doing it? I don't know. We'll see if ChatGPT knows.
Oh, so suddenly you poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I had to lose control. Only so much I'm taking.
Let's see what it says. I mean, that seems like a dumb way to do it, but I guess I could. Let's see here. You can't do the or exactly, but you can achieve the results statically with two lists, one for the mother and one for the father, but also filter the status. So make sure the filter exists. It lists a blah, 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 blah. Put both lists in the same grid, wrapper so they appear as a single gallery. Since a puppy won't have the same dog as both mother and father, it won't get duplicates. CMS combined. All right, I think what we can do, we can just get away with this. This would probably be better. I was hoping not to do this, but what we can do is we'll have one. Check it. We got this. Come up here to our grid list right here. And then we'll say, we'll just delete one. Boop. So we'll do the mother, match all, and then we treat our empty state. The way we treat our empty state is we'll just come in here, and then we'll add a we'll just do just hide the whole block, I think is what I want to do. Like, I want you to be able to view all the adopted puppies, but at the same time, I don't want to like call out that this particular animal has not had a litter yet. At least I don't think I do. So that might be something different. So what we'll do is we'll create a oh crap, I'm in bed. And then we will just hide the whole shebang.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No, I don't want to do that.
Are you scared? I am you.
Well, what we'll do, we'll hide the one. Yay, we'll hide the one, and then we'll show the other one. That way you can see, we'll show none. So let's,
I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
almost here, almost got it, almost there. So what I'm doing is I'm making a way to hide one of them. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna add both, because the way that the logic is on this, only one's gonna be active anyways. So I'm perfectly okay with us doing this. We'll just take it, boop, and then we'll just add it again to here. Boop. And then boop.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it.
So what we have to do now is we need to come in here and change this to Spire. And we'll also change the collection list filters. And since this is the dam, delete that and change it to sire. Just like that. And then we'll show this one.
Hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me onto the street like radium, so I could show it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me onto the mezzanine just so that I could show it. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're golden. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me onto the street or out the end so I could show you. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me onto the, me onto the golden. Hey, you're golden.
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't.
Alrighty, come on.
Thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. 'Cause we both know one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, it's my say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end.
Alright, and so the way this works is if one of them has a parent, it should work. Yeah, I don't have it where you can click through on it anymore. I think Bella has them. Oh, darn it. I know I know I have it in here somewhere. Oh, I thought I did. Okay. Adopted. So let's do these. Do not have a Bella. I do have a Bella. Why can I not reference Bella? Oh, okay. So there's that one, and we'll do one more. One more. Just one more. Just one more. I'm about to have to log off here. I do appreciate everybody joining me today. And if you like this type of stuff, please let me know. If you don't like it, also let me know. I don't plan on doing Webflow CMS videos too much more, unless I have a client or something. We're actually doing some work for them to do it, which I don't mind it. Otherwise, I'll be doing some more interesting things I find more interesting. Like I know I'm going to probably do some leak code workthroughs. At the moment, I'm currently working on a Kubernetes instructional. I have most of that already in place, but I was going to do a mini follow-up on that. Let's see here. To do the cert manager. So I have already put together episodes 1 through 5 on our Kubernetes instructional, where you're actually going through setting up an app, creating the actual container, the Docker container, loading that into Kubernetes, and having configuration feed into it, creating the deployment, setting it up with Ingress, and of course setting it with HPA. So setting up with quite a few things. So if you're interested in looking at that, you can totally take a look at that. My headphone is broke. Can you please reply me in chat? So if you're interested in that, just let me know. I'll totally. I can paste that in here. That way, that's there. Okay. So now that we've done this, we can actually, that's published. We'll go back and we'll actually publish our page. And this should be working. And with that, I will probably be logging off. I just want to make sure this works because I really would like for me to be done with this page. Kind of tired of working on this one. Let's see here. What we got? This one. Oh, Bella definitely has one. Is it not working? Oh no, it's not working. It's not working. Good morning. Let's see here. South Carolina. Okay. Why did that not work? Let's delete. Oh, let's just comment this out real quick. Oh, I think I gotta do the display none of both, don't I? I know. But we set those up where they have. Alright, now we'll come back to our puppies. We got Max and Bella as the two, so let's go check on Max. Maybe I'm missing something here. Okay, that works. Bella should also be working. Oh, sorry. You did ask. Although you should be able to. You said your headphones are broken. Although I feel like you're a bot. But that's okay. Alright. Let's look at gallery. Settings. Adopted. Turn it optional. I actually am out of time.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi.
Weird.
Your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say,
I think. Hold on. Let's remove this.
your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Your silence speaks so loud.
All right. Why aren't they coming up?
And I hear you calling out, yeah.
No, all my stuff is posted on the channel, so if you wanted to check me out on some of the other platforms, you can do that there. I'm not posting it into chat on top of it. Oh, I see what happened. The code got copied. So actually, I don't need this part. Because I want to have it embed.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something
All right.
Lives within ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind. Lives within ain't nobody perfect.
What did I name it? Oh, I really need to hurry up. Okay. I almost need to put like another thing. To have the logic. There. So I will do that. I think I'm still not quite done. I want to do one more thing where I still have like a empty text here, but I want it such that if both of these are empty, it'll actually show it. Which I'm pretty sure of, which I feel like I can do. I don't know if I can. I know I can do it with JavaScript if we really want to go down that path. But we'll see. All right, guys. Well, thanks for your time. I do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. And I'll be back here probably tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I'd like to try to get this project finished up so I can move on to some other cooler things. So thanks again. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Friday.